Hi, 8th grade. I want to do this quick video. I'm guessing there's going to be some questions on this assignment, and I don't want you guys just turning to Google Translate because that's not really teaching you how to answer these questions in Spanish, okay? If we were in the classroom, I'd be able to help you one at a time and address this issue, and I just can't figure out another way to do this. So I'm just going to do a quick little video. I have changed the assignment a little bit. So if you've already done it, you're going to have to redo the assignment, okay? And we'll have time to work on it. Don't worry about getting a late grade, okay? So right here is the story, Stuart Minion, okay? And that was on a separate PDF, and here I've included it in the worksheet. So you've got it right in front of you, okay? So your job is to read the story, and you're going to be there. I did make a video of myself recording it, and I think it's got the illustrations with it, okay? So if you want to listen to me saying the words, you can do it that way, or if you feel like you can read through it and pronounce things correctly, that's fine as well, okay? So after you're done reading the story, you're going to be answering some comprehension questions, okay? Now, at our level of Spanish learning, I need to take a step back. Again, I'm not in the classroom with you. I can't address these issues. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do some filling in the blank, okay? I will tell you this quickly, all right? Let's go over some of these question words, which are on the wall in my classroom, okay? The first question word is K, and K means what, okay? The next question word or question phrase that you're going to see is ¿Cómo se llamaba? And that means what was he named? And the last one is the verb that we learned. We learned tenía and we learned quería last week, okay? When it's in a question, okay, when it starts the question, in this word tenía, it means did he have, okay? Literally, it means had he, okay? So tenía in English, to make it sound good to us and sound like a good translation, we would say did he have, okay? So let's do the first one together, and first one or two together, and then I think you can kind of get the idea, okay? So I'm going to have you answer these questions by filling in the blanks, and you're going to use the story up here to guide your answers, okay? So the first question is, número uno, ¿qué había? Okay, now había, I think on the other worksheet, I did say había means there was, or it can be plural, there were. Okay, so what that's asking is, what was there? Okay, let me pull that apart. Había means there was, there were. Okay, so if I am saying, so let me say that again, había, there was or there were. If I put que in front of que había, I am asking what was there. Okay, now you're going to be finding that if you are really learning this language yourself, okay, you're going to be able to take that question and you're going to be able to put in an answer, okay? If I just Google Translate, que había, okay, I might not get the correct verb form that you should be familiar, that you have learned, okay? Now we haven't talked about verb forms and all that stuff, but if you just go and you Google Translate this stuff, it's going to spit out an answer and you're not necessarily going to know what it means, and I don't want that to happen, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to just be filling in the blanks. So let's fill in the blank for this one here, okay? Que había. What was there? Okay, so let's go back up here and look and see if we can find it in the text. Okay, oh, there it is. Había un minion, okay? So I'm going to come back down here and I'm going to go, oh, había, and I'm going to make sure I put my accents in there, okay? Because accents are super important in Spanish when it comes to a verb, okay? All right, and you might not know what the difference between a verb is and a noun just by looking at it in Spanish. I know you know what a verb and a noun is, but you might not be familiar with what that word means. And so the good lesson to know and learn is that if I see the accent on the word in the question, I should probably have it on the word in the answer, okay? So the answer for number 1 is había un minion. Okay, and that means there was a minion. Okay, all right, let's do number 2. If you were with me last year, we did learn the expression ¿Cómo se llama? Okay, which is the present tense way of saying what is his name, or if it was a girl, what is her name? Okay, and here we've got it changed a little bit in the past tense. Okay, so what it's asking here is, ¿Cómo se llamaba el Minion? Okay, so that means, what was the name of the Minion? Okay, another way to put it is, what was the Minion called? Okay, all right, so I give you the setup here. El Minion blank Stuart. Okay, so I'm going to look for my verb. Here it is. Okay. Oh, shoot. El Minion. There's se llamaba. So I'm going to put that in there. El Minion se llamaba Stuart. Okay. The Minion was named Stuart. Okay. So I want you to be answering the rest of these questions. I want you to be referring to this text, okay? I do not want you to be typing this stuff into a translator. I can tell when you've done it, okay? And then I will be asking you to redo it, okay? So at this point, all you have to do is be filling in the blank and use the question to form your answer, okay? A lot of times the word that is going to go in your answer, you're going to find it posed in the question itself, okay? So do your best on this assignment. I'm going to take out the old questions and I'm going to be including this new format for the questions, and we will go from there. If you have any questions, please send me an email or try to Zoom in the class time. Tuesdays and Thursdays, our class time is, is it 10 o'clock? It is 10 o'clock to 10:30, okay? Or if you want to individually Zoom me, I have been here every day, Monday through Friday, from 1 o'clock till 2 o'clock. And you can call in on my Zoom number, okay? And I can take your questions then, okay? So keep up the good work, and we'll be talking later. Adios.